Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu has reported from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Didn't you see that your people constructed the Kaaba and reduced it from the foundations laid by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam?" I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may get it built on the foundation laid by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I would have done so if the infidelity period of your people had not been so close." Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu says, if Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha has really heard it from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then this is the reason that I did not see the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam respecting the both pillars adjacent to the black stone, for the house has not been built right upon the foundations led by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4484.